This is a 1992 Carrier tech2000 heat pump. Ow! Ouchie! Hit my foot against the thing. And I don't want to go back there because I'm afraid that thing might scare me when it turns on. But yeah, I've never even seen it run in person before. I'm going to climb over this. So now I'm back here now. The serial, you can't see it that well, but the serial number is 4192E01124. Manufactured on the 41st week of 1992. And there's another unit outside, which I'll show later. It's a Carrier, and this is a 5-ton unit, I think. It's got to be a 5-ton. I'm going to go look at the serial number. I'm going to look at the thing again. Okay, so the model number is model 38YRO26310. Yep, this is definitely a 5-ton. Whoa. Whoops. Anyway. I'm not going to go directly outside to film the other unit. The other unit is just like that one. Yet, isn't it an illegal install to install your unit like this in a garage? I would think it is. Though, no, this unit is not a commercial. This is a single phase. Plus, this is a complex here at another grandmother's place. You can't see the inside that really good. And yes, it is a 3-blade fan. Yep, it's a heat pump. High efficiency heat pump with a reciprocating compressor. Never seen this thing ran in person, but the unit outside has ran multiple times. So now let's... And about the 3D printer, a filament guide tube is not exactly fitting the right extruder, and a new part is going to come soon, so that's good. Bye.